but it doesn't necessarily mean that whether or not they say it doesn't actually change the fact that
you have done it exactly or not.
You know the funny thing, I guess with the dawn of a new generation, so many things that have been brought in the open has helped so many people. Like Mr. B said, what you do now, 25 years from now, what will be the take on it? Was it right what you did then?
Yeah.
Do you understand? You don't know what impact it will make. But hey, let's hear from more callers.
Okay, let's see that.
Hello, good afternoon. Oopsie daisy. Alright, we have a couple of comments on Facebook.
Okay, we should just say that now.
Fatima says, hey, your light in my eyes, the flash is doing wonderful.
Cameraman.
Meanwhile, let's even ask him, what's that one thing? He said kissing in public, I think. Is that what he said?
I think that's not even bad.
Hold on,
I'm just saying, no.
PDA. Okay, we call it PDA, Abby.
Yes.
Public display of affection.
Yes.
So let's go right under that umbrella.
Yeah, in countries outside here.
It's illegal in some places, though. You can't do that thing.
Which country is that? I don't want to go there.
Seriously,
you want to lock lips in public.
I see my baby, I want to hug her in public, I want to give her a peg or a kiss. You want to say,
when it is modestly done, we understand. But when you start taking it, the one you should be doing behind closed doors.
No, there are certain things you may not want to do. But there are certain things you might want to do and take responsibility.
We know what you want, but just hold body. And when you get behind closed doors, you can express yourself.
But to some extent, you can just display it later.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm just saying.
Who wants to watch you guys?
That's a lower than nobody.
You should PDA. It's nice to. I don't want to use the word SMWOCH on air, but you understand what I'm. All right, Fatima says, "Good afternoon, Royal FM crew. How is the weather over there? There are lots of words to start with T, but let me give you some: torture, tortoise, talk, true love, tinsel, tipsy, toy, and so on. Play Me Don't Judge Me by Chris Brown. She did not comment. What should we do?
She's so afraid of what to say.
Don't worry, we're going to sign up for Don't Judge Me by Chris Brown, because if we play that song now, many people are going to request for the song. So just hold on, guys. Idehe Christian says, good job, guys. No one, Theano, and that's my nickname. Number 2. Okay, number 1, Theano. I wonder what Theano means. Number 2, he says, oh, Te amo. I love you. Number 2, he says, kissing his girlfriend.
Kissing his girlfriend.
But where? If you kiss your girlfriend behind closed doors, we don't know. It's not our buzzwords. Yeah.
Yeah, like in the middle of.
And some people,
the shopping mall.
When you come to dating, you see somebody you love and you want to date that person. Maybe you're from a rich background, and the other lady is not. You love this girl and you want to go for her, and you'll be thinking, what will my dad say?
You've been through that. What would my dad say?
What will my mom say?
You have just brought to light one thing.
There are many times you want to bring some guests home.
Yeah.
I'd be like,
yes.
What was
that say?
For instance, as a girl, bring home a guy with dreadlocks.
That's
what they'll say. Or these days it's even very common. Young people like me these days, you want to get married and you're thinking of plush areas. You want a garden wedding. You want to have beautiful.
And they're thinking of cathedrals.
And then your parents tell you must do church wedding and you must cover your hair and wear long. Do you understand? And these days people just want to get creative.
Yeah, everybody wants to.
Just